Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to write multiple lines in a single cell in Excel. So let us get in. Now, before we start, I'd like to just mention we will be going live within the next few days. I'll drop a live link somewhere in some of the videos to come. So look out for that, and we're going to go through how to make money online. So we are on Excel, and all you need to do now is enter a cell that you'd like to put in some data into, and we are going to just say, for example, list 1. And if you would now like to jump to the next line in that cell, you're going to hold in Alt and you are going to hit enter. And here you can put in list 2, and once you hit enter and you exit that cell, you will see that this has been written on a different line in the same cell. Now, you can also do this in the formula bar. You can do so right over here. So you've selected the cell that you want to work on, and again, you're going to hold in Alt and you're going to hit enter. And there you go. You can now create lists and sublists as in one cell. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.